Hearing grinding, clicking, or high-pitched whining during a spin? Unusual noises from your Ninja Swirl usually mean something's off, but not always broken. Here's how to tell what's normal and what needs fixing. Step 1. Identify the type of noise. Different sounds point to different causes. A whirring or low hum is normal during spinning. A grinding or clicking sound could mean a misaligned or blocked paddle. High-pitched whines may indicate a jammed swirl press or too frozen base. Step 2. Pause and inspect the swirl press. If the noise started after pressing the handle, stop the cycle. Unplug the machine, remove the outer bowl, and check if the swirl press is fully retracted or stuck mid-cycle. Step 3. Check for hardened or over-frozen ingredients. A solid mix can stress the motor and create grinding or whining noises. Let the pint soften for 10 to 15 minutes, then try again. Step 4. Clean around the paddle and nozzle assembly. Leftover chunks or sticky buildup can cause the paddle to slip or catch. Disassemble and rinse all contact parts, especially the creamerizer paddle and nozzle path. Step 5. Listen for noise during power-up only. A single click or buzz when turning on is normal. If it continues or gets louder, contact Ninja support. It could be a motor alignment or internal gear issue. Still not sure if it's normal? Record the sound and contact support using the link in the description. They can often diagnose it by audio alone. If this helped, subscribe to No Filler Fixes for more stress-saving appliance tips. Drop your next issue in the comments. We might cover it next. Thanks for watching, and swirl safely.